Welcome back to the HealthTech Explorers channel. Today we will talk about JSON prompts, a structured way to communicate with AI that is transforming creative work, healthcare, and clinical research. We'll break down how they work and why they matter. And if you'd like to explore more, check the description below. JSON prompts are a structured way to communicate with AI models using the format known as JavaScript Object Notation, or JSON, where every requirement, detail, and instruction is placed in its own separate field. This style of prompting is far more predictable for both the AI and the creator. If you think about a regular text prompt, maybe something like, "Make a sunset photo." All the requirements are buried in one line. With a JSON prompt, you break down the scene, the camera angle, the sound, the color scheme, every aspect into clearly labeled parameters. This makes it far easier to control results, automate the creation of whole series with consistent characters and style, and go back to tweak only what matters, without having to rewrite everything from scratch. That kind of control is especially important when you want large-scale, repeatable output, whether it's a set of illustrations or a batch of short videos. In medicine, clinical research, and healthcare, JSON prompts are becoming essential for automating and standardizing medical documentation, reports, and data analysis. They help ensure consistency and compliance, for instance, with HIPAA or local regulations, and reduce human error by structuring every piece of required information in a template. Think of how much easier it is to validate and analyze standardized discharge summaries, research reviews, or patient notes when every field is always in the same place. This lets both medical professionals and AI systems pull out important information, integrate with electronic health record systems, and run analytics reliably. Structured prompts also help streamline the review of scientific literature by setting clear fields for objectives, methods, conclusions, and strengths. It's much faster to do a meta-analysis or summarize large batches of publications for medical research. Beyond healthcare and creative work, you'll find JSON prompting used for API integrations, workflow automation, and compliance control. It makes transferring data between systems much simpler and safer, since everything is predictable and well organized. If your business needs to track legal restrictions or data policies, you can build those requirements directly into your prompt structure and have the system check them automatically. To start making your own JSON prompts, you can use just about any text editor, Notepad, Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or you could write directly in ChatGPT or Gemini if you're working within those platforms. You write your request as a JSON object with curly braces enclosing all fields, and each key and value surrounded by quotation marks. Often, you're specifying things like task, topic, tone, and output format in separate fields. If you want to link actions together or make a more complex workflow, you can use nested objects and arrays in JSON to organize everything you need. There are also special online tools and platforms, like Apodog and others, that let you validate your JSON structure and test prompts directly against the AI model, helping you iron out any mistakes before using them in production. When your prompt is ready, you paste it into the AI system or integrate via API, and just like that, you're set up for precise, repeatable, and highly controlled AI results, whether your field is creative content or advanced data-driven healthcare. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.